Not going to be any real action in this video, just explaining what's going on with this truck, that's all. Today is the 23rd of September 2021. And if you are keeping up with the build series, you know that this truck has spun crank gear. The reason I started off with the date is we know right now that used trucks are selling for quite a bit of money because new trucks are almost non-existent. So that got me thinking. Original plan was to get this thing fixed, be a 750 horse street truck. It'd be cool, very cool, because it's a really nice vehicle. But I don't know why, but I really want a 4-digit street truck, 1,000 and something. Because of that, and because of, I guess, how used trucks are right now, I listed the truck for sale just to see. I didn't figure anyone would, it's broken, you gotta spend 10K to fix it. I had listed it not really expecting to sell it, but I was contacted by a really nice guy out of Eau Claire. He's a Ford diesel mechanic up there, and he's like, hey, listen, I've been looking for a truck like this for a couple years now, something that he could save money on because he can fix it himself. He can get Ford parts, I'm assuming lower cost than like I could. We worked the deal, and he is gonna come buy it. The 23rd is today, it's Thursday, so he'll be here in 2 days. Part of that deal is I get to keep all of the performance parts, which works really well for me because then I can slap them onto, then I can go buy some old 2011 or 12 that's blown up and has 200,000 miles on it or something, and be able to do a 1,000 horse street truck, just because I wouldn't feel right about doing that to this truck. I don't know. It's such a nice vehicle. I don't think that's the right way to go with it. Because this guy who is coming to get it, he just wants to use it stock. Kind of stockish, as it was intended, to be a nice truck and comfortable and everything. And honestly, I think that's the best way to go. It would be super cool to have a 17 plus body style, 1,000 horse. It doesn't make sense. So honestly, I do think this is the best route to go. And we came to an agreement that we're both happy with, and this truck will live on as it's supposed to, not be made into some insane vehicle because I just want high horse numbers. That's the plan. He'll be here in 2 days, and that'll be the end of this truck. This is a fucking sick truck, dude. And every time I look at it, it's so nice. And it looks good, and it's badass. But as soon as I get it out of the garage, then I know it's not, it doesn't tempt me anymore. Every time I look at it, I'm like, wow, should I really sell it? Holy shit, that'd be nice to have. I love the reverse level look. I love the all black, style. The last thing I was going to do was take off that badge and the FX4 sticker and get the headlights painted, maybe tint the back ones a little bit. And then it was going to be visually, it's ready to, it's perfect after that, for as far as cosmetic. That's the way we're going to go with it. So, we got to part ways with this truck, but, we'll have something else that we can make our own. Like as a channel, I guess. It's not much of a channel, but it's all I got. So that's the plan. Pusher intakes. This is the third time I've had to take one of these out, the Valley Charger, and their hot side charge pipe gets stuck. It's stuck to that. It can rotate. This is what I don't understand. I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, fuck. It rotates like that, but it does not come out. I've wrenched on this thing for, I wrenched on it for a bunch of time because I just ripped it right out of the truck. I unbolted the compressor housing, and the bolts are, and that's the third time that's happened. I have never been able to get it out, so I don't know what the fuck's going on. I don't even remember how I got it detached when I took my Valley charger out. It's just wild to me that it rotates, but I can't get it off. And I thought I was going nuts at the beginning when it first happened, so I had to call my buddies over. They couldn't get it off either, so I didn't feel as bad. But I called Jacob over at Pusher Intakes, and he said he had never heard of that before, so I don't know. The fact that it's happened on 2 different compressor housings has got me a little confused, because maybe the one, like my factory compressor housing was like a little like too big or something, you know, from the tolerances from the factory. But the fact that it happened on 2 of them, I don't know about that. All right, today is the day. It's 2 days later but I'm wearing the same shirt because it got dirty, and I had to take the wheels and tires off so we could fit it on his trailer with some 9 wides. Man, end of an era. There she goes. Yeah, he's gonna have that thing running properly. I'm okay with it. That's what the truck was meant to do. So, sad day, but whatever.